Hi guys, today's day 9 of real trading. So I couldn't able to record while taking trades. So I am recording now. First, let's look at the orders book, and you can see that I have took many orders, around 13 orders. I have clearly over traded. I agree with you, and this is not something I usually do. But let's see at the positions now. We booked around 2000 in futures, and we almost lost 50% of what we took in the futures. And at the close level, we booked a profit of rupees 1000, but I'm not really satisfied with this profit because of my performance and how I took trades. So, firstly, I was planning to take trade at Tata Motors, but I couldn't get this price. But again, it went almost like 490 levels after within like few minutes. I planned to take a short portion at 501, and it went almost 486, 15 rupees. So second trade I took in futures and our target got triggered, and the third trade I took at 130 after around 2 hours of this trade, uh, naked option buying, just to catch the momentum. Then, as expected, it didn't went as we thought. 353 was the price I bought, and 320 I sold. And again, after half an hour, I bought again 333 and I sold 339. Then after that, 327 and 311. So it's like just buying and buying without like proper setup. And after like three trades, I understood that it's not going to be worth it, and I already lost like 50% of what I've gained in the morning. So I just stopped trading after that. So why it happened, like why I took this many trades, is simply because of this momentum, guys. So usually we won't see like 1,000 points, 1,500 points fall, right? We are typically trade within the like 500 points range, so it's like pretty easy to keep the target and the stop loss orders, and we don't force trade, and the market won't make us desperate. But look at this, almost like 4%, clearly one side move. And after later in the afternoon session, there was a short covering like last 30-45 minutes of trading session. So we got like 4% down from the opening session, and it's almost 1,500 points, right? So this is not something we usually see, right? Let me put this in date candle. You can see a strong bearish candle. So what made us to do this is just because of the desperation that gave market. Uh, I'm not complaining market. I'm just complaining about myself, like like why I did, in the sense. So now let's look at one by one. So as told, Tata Motors, uh, I thought of selling at this price, but it didn't went. And actually, this trade itself made today's morning so desperate. Look at the quantity, guys. 500, 501. Let me show the uh, chart so that you can understand. 1 minute. So we took 1029 at 501. Okay, before that, yeah. Sorry, this was the one. So this was just simple trend line breakout and retest levels, and this was the 1029th candle. Yeah, this candle. Look at this, guys. I mean I was planning to take trade at the year, and 1029, and look at this, just almost like 10 points in 5 minutes of time. And the quantity which I have kept is 500, which is around almost like 5,000 rupees or 5,500 rupees within like 4 5 minutes. So all these things from morning made us desperate. Also the market, as I told before, it was just trending and with a good like bearishness 1,000 points move. So I just thought of like using this opportunity, but it ended up in vain. So this was the first trade. I thought of getting this order, but then I didn't get. Then I just cancelled my order. And secondly, I took at Bank Nifty futures, which we usually trade at 37,501. Let's look at Bank Nifty chart now. So there is a saying like a trend is your friend. That's what I followed, and we got our profit booked. So this was just an trend line, resistance trend line. So every time it it touches this line, it falls. So you can clearly see this almost 3 4 times. So I took entry at 11.1, I guess 11.1. So this is the 11.1. You can see there is a breakout, and after that retest, also I was getting 0.2 level of fib retracement. Let's draw this from top to bottom. So you can see that it was clearing getting 0.2 after breakdown. So I took at this candle and future chart. It was a pretty nice trade. We kept 76 points on top, the nearest resistance, and 80 points on the down. And our target got triggered in just 10 minutes. Our target got triggered in 10 minutes. So that's it. Not much of this trade. Now let's come to the options. Why I took this trade at 131. Let's close this all this. So 131 is basically around this candle. So this was the today's low. During that time around 12.7 it created a low of 37,000, and it just bounced around 1 200 300 200 points. Then again the selling came. So I took order at 11 132. So 132 should be this candle, yeah. So the reason why I took is in case if it broke today's low, there is likely chance to go further fall. That's why I took this trade. But it differs from actually it differs a lot from futures and options, because in futures, if in case if it moves 100 points, you will get the same way 100 points move in futures as well. I mean from the spot chart. But in case of options, it doesn't work like that. There will be difference of prices, and it's difficult to keep stop loss or target. So just like 20 points move, my already my put option would be going 30 rupees far away from where I took. So that's the problem with this options. And let's say if I have took this order in futures, let's consider that I took this order at futures at 131, short position 131. So this is 131, and let me keep my stop loss around usual 70 points. All right, and my target was this level. So in case if I have taken in trade, I mean if I have taken trade in futures, this easily would have triggered without any pain. But look at this guys, this has been something like uh, killing me. 20 30 points within a few minutes of trade, and could not able to catch the price which I wanted to do. But the funny part is around after till 2 o'clock, it was just ranging in this bound. But if I have taken in futures, definitely this would have easily hit my target without any brokerages or like multiple trades. The funny thing is, once I have thought to close this all, I mean I don't want to take trade anymore. Look at the premium that it went. I closed around like 2 o'clock. The last trade I took is 2.4, which is this candle. So this candle, and after that you just see the jump from year to year, almost like 100%, from 300 to 600 rupees. This is what option buying give us, and thus it made us to lose around 50%. So nothing much guys, today over trading killed us. And I'm planning to not take trades in options no matter what. Even the market crashes like anything, I'm planning to take not trade in options, just because of this simple reason guys. Even though if I took trade in futures, it doesn't give you much like volatility. it easily hits target, but in this it's difficult trading in options. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you again on the next video.